Hey guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. I want to tell you some tips on buying shoes that you may not know. Um, Most women and some men are shoe hounds, and I like shoes. I found that if you change your shoes a lot during the day, if your feet feel better too if you do a lot of walking. My bird just went, wild bird just went over there and ate some food. I had to look. Okay, so here's my tip. Number one, at the end of each season, go to the clearance racks. You will find shoes dirt cheap, and you can say if you're gonna, you just want shoes for that outfit or, to look cute and stuff like that. You can pick up all kinds of different shoes that can go with a few different outfits. And if you have more shoes, right? So I like to pick up shoes. So these are really cute, and I think I paid, well, they were on clearance for $9. I think they ended up being $2. So I got these. And then I got these, which this is the story I wanted to kind of tell you about. These I paid $2 for. And so here's the thing on these. These are actually, we're in the kids section. And if you like shoes, kids' shoes will fit you. They just will have a different size. So if you see a truck going by, if you see a shoe that you like and it looks like it's going to fit you, go ahead and try it on because it might. And I used to do this once in a while. If I see a shoe that, like if they've got racks and racks of the same shoe, I'll say, you know what? I could use that when I'm going around working in the garden. So you can grab shoes in the kids section, and a lot of times they don't even look like children's shoes. No one would ever know the difference. So these are a little bit more like kids shoes, but picture these with a, in the summer on a 50-year-old woman, which is me, with in the fall with a pair of black like black leggings or black the pedal pushers or whatever that go up to your knees. I can't think of the name of them are. And, a big white polka dot blouse or something. It'd look really cute, and just for the day, running around town or working in the yard. So, fashion, it's what you make it, but obviously you don't want to be wearing, crazy stuff. But you can go ahead and that's another way to expand your shoe wardrobe. And I like to have lots of shoes because if your feet hurt, you got to change your shoes, Sometimes that's all you got to do. So anyway, that's my tip on buying shoes. And it can save you some money. And like I said, check out those clearance items in between seasons, and you can stock up and get things for your family, and then you can just pull them out of the drawer, and you saved yourselves hundreds of dollars, especially if you have a family and you don't even have to go to the thrift store or anything. You can just buy everything on clearance. Okay, guys, it's Ruthie with the Popo Backyard Farm. Like, subscribe, and remember, big or small, you too can be a backyard farm. God bless.